In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Alibaba support. First, open your Alibaba app. For the smoothest experience, make sure you're on the latest version so the buttons and menus look familiar and everything loads quickly. Next, look for the Sign In option and log in with your account. You'll typically find Sign In at the top of the screen or along the bottom bar. Enter your credentials and confirm. If you're already signed in, you can continue straight to the home screen. After you successfully log in, you'll land on the home page where you can access your orders, messages, and account tools. From the home page, tap on My Alibaba. This section usually sits on the bottom navigation bar and serves as your personal hub. It's where you can view orders, manage settings, and importantly, reach support. Take a moment to let the page load fully so all icons appear. Inside My Alibaba, locate the contact support icon. It may appear as a headset, a chat bubble, or labeled support or help. Tap it to open the support center. If you see multiple help options, choose the one that connects you to real-time assistance. Here, select live chat. Depending on your region and app version, you may be prompted to pick a topic first, such as orders, payments, or account issues. Choose the most relevant topic, then tap live chat or chat now to start. You can now begin typing your question. Be clear and specific so the system can quickly guide you. Mention essential details like your order number, the supplier's store name, or the date of the transaction if it's related to a purchase. If the chat offers an attachment option, upload screenshots that show the issue. This saves time and helps support understand your situation faster. You'll often start with a virtual assistant that can provide quick answers or route you to the right place. If the automated replies don't resolve your issue, look for a button that connects to an agent or type something like human agent to be transferred when available. Keep the app open while you wait, and ensure notifications are enabled so you don't miss replies. If the chat disconnects or you need to revisit the conversation, go back to the contact support icon from My Alibaba and open your recent chats. Most sessions save your history so you don't have to repeat details. That's it. Open the app, sign in, go to My Alibaba, tap the support icon, choose live chat, and start your conversation with clear details. Follow these steps and you'll be connected to Alibaba support quickly and efficiently.